Good day, all pet matters. Today we will have an update of our 23-day-old puppies. The mommy dog is standing while nursing her puppy, and the puppies have difficulty reaching the source of milk. In this case, we are thinking now of introducing soft puppy food, because the mommy will not be able to nurse her puppies. This is one reason why we need to introduce soft puppy food to our puppies, because if the mommy dog don't like to nurse her puppies, the puppies will starve, and by this time their little teeth is protruding, meaning the mommy dog is getting hurt. The puppies have difficulty nursing. One puppy goes to me and asking for help. Okay, I give you to your mommy. Go there. The mommy dog don't like to lie down nursing puppies. She like to stand up nursing. Maybe this way she feels comfortable than lying down. I still give calcium supplement to the mommy dog. The puppies are trying very hard to get the source of milk. One dog is walking. Maybe he get tired. That one is complaining. Go back there. The mommy dog evaded already. So this is a problem because the puppy is not yet done nursing. So I really need to buy puppy food and mash it so it becomes soft, and introduce soft puppy food to our little puppies, because if not, they will starve. They are walking, maybe they are searching for food. That's our video for today, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.